to Chalmer. Oh! That's it. Won't recover from that. Fight's done.
Boxing fans, pinapainit na naman ang heavyweight division ng boxing. Ang mundo ng boxing ay gunulantang ng isang batang-batang 20 years old na si Moses Etoma. Si Etoma ngayon ay talaga namang nasa listahan ng isa sa pinakamagaling na boksidor sa mundo ng heavyweight. Mantakin nyo naman mga boss, na sa kanyang 13 fights, 11 doon ay knockouts, did not pass through second round. Makikita nyo dito ang kanyang mga atake na talaga namang nakakagimbal.
Atama comes in low and he works that body, he might be in trouble.
Massive shot. In the opening. Minute and a half here. And Dempsey to get his stance back. But a Chalmer. That's it. Won't recover from that. Fight's done. Corner in. It's Chalmer wins in one. And it's devastating.
This dude has so much potential. He is just 20 years old with a perfect record of 13-0 with 11 knockouts na hindi man lang lumampas ng 2 rounds. Look at this monster. Damn! What about that? One punch. Diretso sa canvas.
Big boy Scraps, the one and only. CSB, ICB.
Few days ago ay talaga namang pinatikim din ni Aitoma itong si White, ang veteranong heavyweight boxer, ay hindi man lang pinagbibigyan nitong si Aitoma. Grabe kung sa manok pa itong mga boss ay talagang Texas, hindi man lang nakasugat ang kalaban. Look at White, damn, di na kayang tumayo mga boss, grabe. Kung si Usyk ay nakaya niyang patumbahin ang higanting si Fury, kagaya ng iyong napapanood, ay malamang sa alamang isang napakagandang laban ang ating makikita, matutunghayan kapag nagtagpo ang dalawang ito. Dahil pareho itong palaban. Yun nga lang, maaring magkatalo sa experience, pero ang edad at bilis nitong batang si Aitoma ay napakalaking factor kung sakaling man sa hinaharap ay maglalaban ang...
Why would you describe it as a punch from the gods?
It could have punched me that punch a million times. It may not have had any effect.
Kinunan ng reaksyon ng Box Nation itong si Usyk dahil nga hinamon siya nitong si Aitoma after talunin si White. Halika't pakinggan ang sinasabi. And this is going to be a very exciting for boxing. Pakinggan ang tugon nitong si Usyk.
Just one question.
Come on.
One question. Alexander, what did you make of Moses' win on the weekend? What did you think?
The great man, the great fight. I think Etoma, it's future for boxing.
And he called you out?
Huh?
He says he's ready for you now at 20 years old.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Masdan nyo na lang po ang current record ng dalawa. Talagang ma-amaze ka dito mga boss, bata laban sa mga edad at experience na. And going back dun sa tugon ni Usyk mga boss, talagang nakaka-excite pakinggan, makita, mapanood na positive ang kanyang tugon dito, that they could face very soon. He says definitely. Wow, that's going to be an exciting day for boxing fans.